Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Acholi way.
Oh yeah.
Odeko way.
Oh yeah.
Omoro way.
Oh yeah.
Tolit way.
Oh yeah.
Bobi Wine way.
Oh yeah.
The winning way.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
Afoy matek.
Thank you very much, Honorable Tolit.
Afoy to 12 lira keja.
Thank you very much, all my fellow leaders.
Afoy to duju lo tela papati noob.
And thank you very much, my brother Secondo, for interpreting for me.
Afoy Secondo pikopodoga.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is an affair that started and is going to be finished here in Omoro. But when I cross to northern Uganda, my name is Ogen La PM. I came here to bear testament. But I want you to know that you have an opportunity. Can we pay attention? People of Omoro, you have been misrepresented for a long time. Now I am reminding you that you have the power in your hand to send somebody in parliament so that when they speak in parliament they are representing Omoro. I know that Omoro is the area that is so affected with the nodding disease. But all the money that is being appropriated to fight it is stolen. I know that many of your cows were stolen during the war. How many of you have been compensated? There's nothing. I would go on and on talking about your healthcare system. I would go on talking about your roads. I would talk about the schools and every other infrastructure. But I don't want to waste time talking about problems when I am standing next to the solution. I can only tell you that the solution to those problems begins with voting Tolit into parliament. I can only remind you, and I'm telling you, I wish I was voting from here so that I have the opportunity to vote for Honorable Tolit. We have enough numbers. All the way we have come from, everybody is lifting his fist in the air. And vote. Help the old people and those who are sick to go and vote. That means you are voting for Tolit. Tolit is an actually name, but it also has an name. In Kampala they say this man is too lit. It means being too smart. It means being on fire. Therefore, Tolit is help Uganda and send one of the smartest MPs in parliament from Omoro. I know they are going to lie to you. They are going to bring a lot of money to you. They are going even to force you and even beat you. And even take some to the police. Because they will want to lie to you. All of you, ladies and gentlemen, not so many talk about it, but all of you know what happened to the next speaker. They don't want you to talk about the poison, but you know, don't you know? If you will only see on in the air. So we have an answer. The answer is Tolit, ladies and gentlemen. We can only tell you but you have the power to send Tolit to parliament. When Tolit goes to parliament, you will join all the process for change in parliament. It will be another effort, another step. But the main mission is to remove the dictator called Museveni. The problem of Uganda is Museveni. I will ask ladies and gentlemen to stop here. Ladies and gentlemen, we come with Honorable Joel Senyonyi.
Wanapoyo matak mata adego ne dana do
The baby. The cancer. Laptop, they don't work.
Why is the head of the medical superintendent in charge? One time, they used to call me babysitter.
That is very good.
This is one of the jokes.
The baby will start moving the mouth very soon.
Andrew, hold that baby.
Is that the wife of the person who is affected?
We are here. 1 year. 1 month. 1 month is actually 1 month.
Omer kateme kita la dia dia temo ne kere. Daro do to kongo tim kita la dia dia temo ne kere. Eya. Wano koyo.
A little bit.
Aye, gichiro tear gas, chiwako, aremo maona ten, chikikele oriat kany.
We were not there, but we were informed.
Wano be rupe, eto gitietewa.
We were therefore sent by our bosses.
Ni wan bene gichwadawa la dit mamoya chwadawa en la dit President Yoweri Museveni ni mero biro nen gin motimeni.
To check on the baby.
Meneno latini.
If he's bad enough, we send him to another hospital.
Weka ikono wano latini timarach no bichwala eno kairi kitege bene kama mera yachu no ngayotko.
But because the baby is okay,
kitawana na ke latin timabe.
We are grateful to the medical team and the nurses.
Iwa yom tutwale kumlu daktari materiat kany.
For the good work they have done. We have also decided that there is no way we can talk to the baby who is sick. And also not talk to you who are also sick. We also decided that perhaps if there is something small, we could buy a kilo of sugar and we'll take together.
Hey, we'll sugar, mama, not better. We might get a carry. Nong sugar, more better. Come on, better. Come on, go. Yeah.
Stella, we have come from NRM. We heard that your child got a problem yesterday. And we decided to come and check on you. We thank God that the child is okay. And we also pray that the child grows up into a very strong and responsible person. We bring you greetings from the party chairman, and all our friends. And we have brought you 500,000 shillings to go and look after yourself and look after the baby.
But the NRM will be Alimia Beach, you point in Kilatian,
we're going to meet them on the sides. But also, because we are here from to check on this patient, but we are also patients. So we are going to find space on the sides so that we can also buy you some passion fruit. One thank engineer. One thank the medical team. And one thank everybody that the child is not in bad shape. We bring you greetings from Andrew. During campaigns, Andrew has regulations which govern him. We don't want him to break the law. In case he has anything to do with the family, he will do it privately. But for us as a party, it's our responsibility to check on the child and find out if there is anything different we can do to save the life of the people. After elections, if you elect Andrew, all these are going to be his responsibilities. This is 500,000. Now, how is the hospital? What's the problem?
No, Maraj.
Waliwo yazze ne bamukwata kubanga okuuma eggwanga n'abantu abalimu obuvunaanyizibwa bwa gavumenti era ffe bwe batukuuma ne tukola omulimu gwaffe obulungi kye tusinga okwagala. Nsuubira nti n'abavuganya nabo kye bandyagadde. Kati abo abagala oba batya road blocker babadde bajja naki kye batya road block okukiraba. Wandibaawo nti waliwo ababadde bagala okujja nga balina oba ebisi oba ebintu ebitakkirizibwa ne batya